Hello everyone. We want to answer this question. The graph below represents the relationship between speed and time for an object moving along a straight line. What is the total distance traveled by the object during the first 4 seconds? So, as you can see, the graph represents speed as a function of time, and the changes of speed versus time is linear. That means the object has a constant acceleration. This question can be solved by two methods. The first method is based on average speed. So delta x is average speed times delta t, and delta x is, for the average speed, we have v final plus v initial divided by 2 times delta t. So v initial is speed at time 0. That means 0. And v final is the speed at time 4 seconds. That means 20 meters per second. And delta t is 4 seconds. Therefore, we can find delta x by using these quantities: 20 plus 0 divided by 2 times 4, and delta x becomes 10 times 4, or delta x is 40 meters. So this is the total distance by the first method. Now let's move on by solving this question using the second method. So in the second method, we use acceleration, the equation which is related to acceleration, and velocity and time and delta x. So first we need to find acceleration. Acceleration is defined as delta v over delta t, and delta v is v final minus v initial divided by delta t, and a becomes 20 minus 0 divided by 4. Therefore, acceleration for this object becomes 5 meters per second squared. Now we can use this acceleration in this kinematic equation. 2a delta x is equal to v final squared minus v initial squared, and if we divide both sides by 2a, delta x becomes v final squared minus v initial squared divided by 2a. So in this equation, every quantity is given, and then we can find delta x. So by substituting these quantities in delta x, we get 20 to the power of 2 minus 0 to the power of 2, and 2 times 5. So delta x becomes 400 divided by 10, and at the end we find delta x as 40 meters. As you can see, the result by the first method and the second method are the same. So it's up to you which method is convenient for you. But if you want to find acceleration and then delta x, the second method is the best. But if you want to find it in a shorter period of time, then the first method is preferred than the second method. Okay, thank you very much for watching.